Today we are going to discuss an important concept in coordinate geometry. Okay, let us discuss. What is that? That is, I hope all of you know, that is heart of the coordinate geometry, that is circles. Okay, that concept is circle. Now in this video we will discuss some concepts of the circles, some basic concepts of the circles. So let us discuss what are those topics. Okay, right students, today we will discuss the concepts. Today we will discuss the concepts of, first, what is the definition of the circle, what is the definition of the circle, and what are the different forms of the circle, and some important points. Okay, we will discuss some important points also, which is useful for the which is useful to do the problems, right? And some, what is the parametric equation. So these four topics we will discuss in this video, right? So before that, what is the first concept is, what is the definition of the circle? Okay, right. So what is the definition? The set of all points in a plane such that they are equidistant from the fixed point. What is the definition of the circle? The set of all points in a plane. The set of all points in a plane that are equidistant from the fixed point. This is the fixed point which are equidistant. From this fixed point. This locus is called a circle, right? These are the equidistance from the the fixed point to the points on the locus, right? Here, what is this fixed point? This fixed point is called the center of the circle. Fixed point is called the center of the circle, and this fixed line is called radius of the circle. Clear? This fixed point is called the center of the circle, and the fixed line is called radius of the circle. Okay? Usually, the center of the circle denoted by C, capital C, and the radius of the circle denoted by small r. Okay, this is the center C and these are the radius. We can draw infinitely many distances from the fixed point. Okay, right. That is center of the circle. Now let us move the second concept, various forms of the circles. What are the various forms? Let us discuss. The first one is the standard form. Okay, so let us discuss what is the standard form, and second one is general equation, and third one is what is the basic form of the circle, and next the diameter form, and next one is parametric form, right? These are the forms that comes under the concept of circles, right? Now let us discuss one by one what are those. Okay, right. Now let us discuss what is the standard form of the circle. The standard form of the circle is the equation of the circle with center C, h comma k. The center is given center h comma k, and let us take r with the radius. So what is the equation of the circle? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. This is the standard form of the circle. Please remember, the standard form of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square when the center and radius are given. Right. Next, the basic form. The second form is the basic form. What is the basic form? Basic form is nothing but if the center of the circle is origin. The center of the circle is origin. The center of the circle is origin 0, 0, and the radius is r. Then substitute 0 and 0 in center. So we will get x square plus y square equal to r square. The equation of the circle, if the center is origin and radius is r, that is x square plus y square equal to r square. Okay, understand? Let us move to the next, another form. Okay students, listen. So the next form is the general equation of the circle. The general equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Here the center of the circle is minus g comma minus f. and the radius of the circle is root over g square plus l square minus c. Okay. In previous form we have discussed the standard form of the circle. There the circle equation is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Their center is h comma k and radius is r. Here the center is minus g comma minus f and radius is root over g square plus f square minus c. So next coming to the general equation of the circle in second degree. So what is the second degree equation? ax square plus 2xy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. I hope all of you know this. The coefficients a, h, g, f, c are real numbers, right? So when this second degree equation becomes the circle equation, we should follow the conditions. So what are those conditions? A is equal to b is different from 0. That means the coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square which are not equal to 0. Both are equal but not equal to 0. And the coefficient of xy is 0. That is h equal to 0. And the condition is g square plus f square minus ac equal to is greater than or equal to 0. Then we say that if any circle, any second degree equation follows these three conditions, then we say that that becomes the circle equation. Okay, right? Okay, right. The next form is diameter form. So what is the diameter form? When in the problem has given that the two extremities or two endpoints of the diameter are given. So what are those? Some a x1 y1 and b x2 y2. So then we have to find the equation of the circle. How can we find? That is the equation of the circle whose diameter extremities are x1 y1 and x2 y2. Then the equation is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. Okay. So here AB is the diameter and A and B are the endpoints of the diameter. Let us take the triangle. Then the angle becomes, it's a semicircle, the angle becomes the right angle. Okay. So diameter extremities are x1 y1 and x2 y2. Okay, this is the equation of the circle when the two endpoints of the diameter are given. Okay, right students. Now let us move to some important points. The various forms of the circles is over. So now let us discuss the important points. What are the points? Already we know that the general form of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So if the center of the circle is 0, there the center of the circle is minus g comma minus f. If the circle passing through the origin, then what is the equation of the circle? Now substitute the 0, 0 point in the circle equation, then we get c is equal to 0. So if c is equal to 0, then the equation of becomes x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy equal to 0. There is no c term because then c is equal to 0 when the circle passing through the origin. Right? Next, the equation of the circle having the center on the x-axis. Having the center on the x-axis means this is the center, this is the equation of the circle. Here, what is that? The y coordinate of the center is 0. The y coordinate of the center is 0. So, the equation of the circle becomes x square plus y square plus 2gx plus c equal to 0. So, f is 0. So, g. So, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Right. If the equation of the circle having the center on y-axis, this is y-axis, if the center is there, then the required equation is x square plus y square plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Why? Because the x coordinate of the center is 0. Here the point is 0 comma y. So here y means minus f or f. Okay. Then g becomes 0. So there is no g term. Okay, x square plus y square plus 2f plus c equal to 0. Okay, let us move the next important concept, the concentric circles. The concentric circles means the two or more circles having the same center. Two or more circles having same center. Like this. Two or more circles having same center. The radius becomes will change, but the centers become same. This type of circuits are called concentric circle. If the circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, then what is the concentric circle of that circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c dash equal to 0, where c dash is a constant. If in any problem, how can we find the concentric circle? If for example x square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y plus 12 equal to 0, this is the equation. What is the concentric circle equation is? There is no change in the remaining coefficients. So remaining terms 2x plus 4y plus constant will be changed. Okay, so this type of circuits are called concentric circles. Okay, so these are some important concepts in the circuits. Okay, so now let us move to the last topic in this session. So that is parametric equations. Okay, okay, right. The next concept is parametric form. Right, the parametric equations. So what are the parametric equations? The parametric equations of a circle with center h comma k, and radius r given by x is equal to h plus r cos theta and y is equal to k plus r sin theta. Here theta is 0 less than or equal to theta less than 2 pi. It's very important condition while writing the solution. Right, this is necessary to write 0 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 2 pi. Okay, so these are the parametric equations. X is equal to h plus r cos theta, y is equal to k plus r sin theta. If the parametric equations of a circle, so what is the circle? X square plus y square equal to r square. So what are the parametric equations of this circle? What is this circle? This is the circle with center. This is the circle with center 0, 0 and radius. So here h is equal to 0 and k is equal to 0. So the circle becomes x is equal to 0 plus r cos theta, y is equal to 0 plus r sin theta. So x is equal to 0 plus r cos theta and y is equal to 0 plus r sin theta. So x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. So these are the parametric equations of the circle x square plus y square equal to r square. Okay, right? These are all fundamental concepts in this video. Now we will discuss in the next video the problems. What are the problems regarding these concepts? We will discuss in the next video. Right? Please read these formulae. Right? Conditions. And one more thing, the circle with radius 1. That circle is called unit circle. Remember, the circle with radius 1 is called unit circle. The circle with radius 1 is called unit circle. Remember. Okay? Right. Thank you. We will discuss the problems regarding this in the next video. Right. Thank you.